Ronnie, should we shut up and let you boogie a little bit?
Well, all right. Hey, I love doing it anyway. So here's the deal. Now you me talk about the Julie and your Peggy Sue. Keep you Miss Molly or your Mary Lou. But when it comes to the chicken doing the bop, I got a gal they call the Queen of the Harp. Now do you love my queen? Now do you love who and me? Sweet little 16. Yeah, that's my queen. Now she wears short and rock and roll shoes. You wanna see it dance to the yellow dog blues. To be my sugar time, baby, I'm a lollipop. Everybody knows I love my queen of the harp. Do you love my queen? Yeah, do you know cool with me? Sweet little 16. Yeah, now that's my queen. Yeah. Now she tunes in the bandstand every day to watch kids dance across the USA. She don't care about a thing except the rock and roll. I'm crazy about my baby when she does the stroll. Yeah, now do you love my queen? Did you know me? Sweet little 16, queen of the heart.
Thank you.
Bobby Darin, 1907. I forgot to check.
And that was, I believe, that was his follow-up to Splish Splash.
It could have been, yeah.
I think that was his second hit. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Split splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Bub dub, I was relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. And then I jumped out the tub, put my feet on the floor, wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a split splash, I jumped back in the bath. How was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, moving and a grooving, splishing and a splashing, rocking and a rolling. Yeah. Oh, hey. There was a splishing and a splashing, moving and a grooving, splish splash, oh yeah.
That was fun.